Bitcoin through infinite banking. Is it possible to get your Bitcoin through infinite banking? The answer is yes, and the best part is it's easy. Hi, I'm Sunny Mitra, founder of Bright Horizon Wealth. We teach entrepreneurs and go-getters like you how to own their financial future with the concept of infinite banking. If you are new here, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so that you are notified when we upload new videos. With this video, we are sharing our Platinum Jubilee today. Yes, this is our 75th video that we are posting on our YouTube channel. And just to celebrate that, you are here for a treat today. But before we go there, let me share with you a couple of lines that someone wrote the other day. I'm a hands-on kind of person. I want two things from my investments: access to my money and flexibility. Bitcoin solves that problem. My problem is this. Number one, real estate investments or buying houses require a huge deposit and aren't liquid. Number two, bonds and debt that may never be paid back and pay less than inflation. Number three, stocks feel overvalued and I'm not a trader who can find deals. Number four, mutual funds are hard to select and have a hefty fee. Number five, gold is hard to buy, has high commissions, requires storage and can be manipulated. Number six, a savings account produces zero return. Number seven, derivatives are purely speculation. If the market goes the other way, then the downside is huge. Then he continues, can you see the problem? Where does a person put their money? There aren't many options. Bitcoin is a different way of thinking. Of course, you won't put all of your money into Bitcoin. A little money in Bitcoin makes sense for me. Buy and touch the asset. My rule is simple. I want to own the asset. Why? Investing is like musical chairs. When the music stops, those who can touch the assets are safe. Those who can't are in trouble. I leave some money on the table with this strategy, but it gives me peace of mind. Get the Bitcoin in your digital wallet, have the gold in your hand, own the actual stock, and have your name listed against it. Now, here is a disclaimer. This is not my own personal opinion. I just quoted someone else. I'm not advising you whether you should or shouldn't buy a Bitcoin. The purpose of this video is to keep you informed on the current topics and give you an angle to look at infinite banking and how it fits in your own particular situation. So let's see how you can get a Bitcoin or a portion of it through your infinite banking policy. When I was first introduced to infinite banking, my mentor asked me a question. How would you like to have your cake and eat it too? I said, I would love to. But how? This is the explanation I got. The biggest thing about an infinite banking policy is the access to your money. You can open this account today and the very next week you will have the access to the cash value of your policy. But then the question arises, how can I have my cake and eat it too? Let me share their story with you. This couple, one of my friend, they owed $6,000 to their Amazon credit card where they were paying 29% interest. They opened an infinite banking policy with $10,000, turned around, took out a loan from their policy of $6,000 and paid off their credit card. Their policy loan cost them 4% interest. So what happened? They saved right away 24% interest that was leaving their portfolio before. But wait, there is more. Even though technically they should have only $4,000 left in their policy on which they should be earning that guaranteed compound interest and dividends at the end of the year, guess what happened? Instead of getting interest on the leftover money, their policy was earning on the entire $10,000 despite the loan. The question is, how is that possible? And the answer is because the insurance company used their money as collateral and gave them the money from their own pocket. In other words, they used other people's money, or as we say, OPM. And that is what I meant by saying have your cake and eat it too. So what does it have to do with getting a Bitcoin through infinite banking? Everything. You can use the same idea to finance anything that your heart desires. You can pay off your credit card, your auto loan, or your home. In fact, one of my friends took out $3,000 from their infinite banking account and financed their vacation. So what is the bigger picture? Simply put, if you keep on repeating the system again and again, then without changing your lifestyle, you will be able to become debt-free in 9 years or less, including your mortgage. Coming back to Mr. Bitcoin. If you want to invest in Bitcoin, why don't you think about funneling that money through an infinite banking policy? The way it works is it gives your every dollar 2 jobs. And that is the real secret that rich people and corporations implement in their life. And even people like Joe Biden or John McCain put aside millions of dollars inside a whole life insurance policy because they know the value of it. Once again, I'm not suggesting you do or don't buy Bitcoin. But if you ever thought about doing so, before jumping into it, you should seriously consider using your same dollar twice. And the basic premises of your family bank is to give your dollar 2 jobs. And once you did that, then you will have your cake and eat it too. So, if you are thinking about using your infinite banking policy to finance other things, we have a free book called Infinity Banking Secrets, where we share different ideas on how you can utilize your whole life insurance policy. So definitely check out the link below and visit our masterclass. If you like this video, let us know by liking it and leaving a comment for us. Make sure you share with your friends and family and subscribe to our channel. And remember to own your tomorrow by converting your liabilities into assets.